Okay, let us start the class. In today's class, we are going to understand that is recursion in Java. What do you mean by recursion in Java? Recursion means if a method or function called itself in its function or method, that is called recursion. Suppose if a method or function that is called itself in its function, okay, so that is called a method, recursion. So let us see how to implement this one. Suppose a printout statement is here. Suppose now here this is what our recursion.java file name. So your class name, as I told you, that it must be equal to your file name, recursion. Okay, now if you compile this one, okay, you will get this type of hello world. You are getting hello world. Okay, one more time, it clears the screen and you compile this code. Compiler gives this output. So if I want to get 5 times of output, 5 times, so I need to copy this one. Okay, I need to copy this one, paste. Okay, 2 times. So 5 times I told you that I need to copy. Okay, every time I need to paste. Suppose 1000 times, if I need 1000 times, I need to get print out. I need to copy. Okay, so if I need 1000 times, every time I need to copy this one and paste. So it is not possible. So it is not programming. As a programmer, it is not well. 10,000 times, if I need 10,000 times, I need to copy this one. 10,000 I need to paste. No, by recursion this can be done. Only one printout is there, hello world, that can be repeated again and again as per your requirement. Suppose if I need 10 times, so that can be printed 10 times. By if a method will be called again and again, that is called recursion. A method or function will be called again and again. So let us see. Okay, now within this class, create a variable. Suppose x is equal, you declare this is assign a value, because how many times you want to get this? 5 times. Okay, so create a variable. You can count whatever. Okay, that variable name count, because it counts. Okay, now it's okay. Now you count count plus plus. Int count plus plus. Okay, now let us see. Okay, now as I told you that if I run this code, I will get this 3 types of print. So if I need 1000 times, I need to paste 1000 line. So it is not feasible practically. So it is somewhat headache. So by recursion, calling a function again and again, we can print out this. Let us see how it will be happen. So a class variable is declared with the static keyword class variable. Why? Because class variable means it is no need to create the object to access this class variable. Okay, it is not public. Okay, that's why static keyword I have used. Now within this recursion class, this is the main class. Under the main class name changed as a recursion class. Within this class, create a method that is static method. Static method means method name what? Take any method name. It is void type. It will not return anything. Take a repeat. Suppose repeat. Otherwise hello whatever. Hello is a method name. Simply hello. Okay. Always method names will be with small letters and suffixed with the brackets and then flower braces. Okay, within the flower brace, it is a static method, user defined method. Okay, in Java so many built-in methods are there, but here we are creating the user defined method. So this method is static, means no need to create the object. This method belongs to the class only. So if you put public here, so what happens? This method, if you want to access this method, you need to create the object. So I don't want to create the object. Now I want to access this as a class method with the static. Okay. Now within this, you do one thing. Under this class, create a variable int count. You take a count is equal. Initially its value is set to 0. Okay. Now if you want to access this one, you need to. It is a class variable. You need to say this as a static, declare static variable. Okay, now within the method you do one thing, count plus plus. You do count plus plus colon, semicolon. Now take a printout, system dot print this one line of statement. You copy, you print here. So you paste here. Now what happened? You try to see. Now what happened? You compile this code. You are getting 3 line of statement printout because 3 statements are here. But I pass a printout statement. I am requesting. So you call this method in main method with the main method name. Okay. Now you are calling that method, your user defined method with what? Your method name. What is your method name? Hello. So small letter, that's why it is giving error. Okay. Now so you compile this code. What happened? Let us see, try to understand. You are getting 4 line of statements, 3 here, 3 here, and 1 is here. So how this statement you are getting? By calling of this in main method, you are calling this hello method. So compiler goes to look for this hello method. It searches, compiler searches for the hello method, and whatever the statement inside of this, that will be executed. It is 0, it will be counted to, it will be incremented to 1. After that this print will be printed. So normally what happens, whenever you compile this code, okay, you are getting 4 printout statements, means 3 from here, okay, 3 from here, 1 from here, by calling of this method. So within this method only 1 printout statement is there. If 1 more printout statement is in this method, 1 more printout, you come paste here, so you will get 3 from main method, 2 from your user defined method. Total 5, you will get 5 printout statements, but 5. But question is what? How to? It is not feasible to put these all printout statement 1000 times, 10,000 times. I need to 10,000 times paste. No, it is not feasible. So here it is under main method you have written, okay, but by calling of the method again and again, that will be happen. How will you see? So now you remove this one. Otherwise remove this one, confuse, you will be in confusion. Okay, only 1 printout statement is here. Call this function method here. Okay, call this method below. Okay, now terminate with the semicolon. Now try to execute, compile this code. How many times you are getting? How many